aptly named the Valley of Rocks. Of course, what they should fucking say is 3 miles that way, it goes into a dead end unless you want to pay money. Hence the reason I'm not a happy bunny. Still, gorgeous fucking day, sweet roads, and you can tell you're in Devon when you spend most of your time on vertical fucking lanes. I mean, Jesus Christ, I fucking pull wheelies. Still, it's fun, it's sunny, it's nice. And my little XU is very, very happy because she's getting to go ning ning ning. It's really difficult because when you're breaking them in, you got to keep the revs low, which means I shouldn't really do more than 50 miles an hour. Unfortunately, she likes going over 50 miles an hour. But still, she's having fun. She likes it. My good little baby. Yes, you are. Fucking bugs. How dare they get my bike dirty? Oh, back to the road. So far, 3 hours on the road, 2 minutes waiting. Ha!